Now that we have the serializer set up, we can create some views for this application. We will open up the views.py file in the user's application directory to get started. Similar to the serializer file, we will import the user and group models from the django.contrib.auth.models class. Next, we will import ViewSets from REST framework. We will look at what ViewSets are responsible for later on in this video. Lastly, we will import our user and group serializers from adminportal.users.serializers. Next, we will create a class called userViewSet with ViewSets.modelViewSet passed as the first argument. For this application, we will be using classes called ViewSets. A ViewSet is a type of class-based view that provides predefined actions such as list or create instead of method handlers such as get or post. The main advantages of using a ViewSet over a view class is the ability to combine repeated logic into a single class. In addition, the use of routers means you will not have to manually write a URL configuration. A URL configuration is a set of patterns used to map the requested URL to the correct view. With the router, we can generate all of these patterns and avoid writing them individually. ViewSets reduce the time it takes to get up and running, but the use of regular views and URL configurations provide more precise control. For the scope of this project, a ViewSet will work great because we don't need specific control over the patterns defined in the URL configuration. Within the user ViewSet, we will define the querySet property by adding all objects from the user model using user.objects.all. Next, we can sort these objects according to the date the user's account was created using the orderBy method with a parameter of dateJoined. This will return the users currently set up in the system and order them according to when they were added to the system. Lastly, we will specify the user serializer as the serializer class for our ViewSet. We will repeat this process for another ViewSet called group ViewSet with the model ViewSet passed as the first argument. All objects from the group model will be passed to the querySet property without a specific order. Next, the serializer class property will be set to the group serializer class. For more Python tutorials, like, share, and subscribe to the PyPros channel.